Hi students, so today you're going to learn about percent change. So this can be going up, so if a number increases, or it could be if it goes down, so decreases. So our example problem today to show you how it works is what is the percent change from 8 to 10? So if I take the number 8 and then it turns into a 10, we can clearly define this as an increase. So now the problem is we have to find the percent increase. So most of you, in your head, you can figure out that 8 increased by 2 numbers to get to 10. If you couldn't figure out the increase, you just have to subtract them. So 10 minus 8 will get you 2. So if I take this as my change, but it's still not the percent change. So what you need to do is you need to take this number, your change, and divide it by your original number. So if you take a look at this problem, which number would be your original? It's going to be the 8. Because it says it goes from 8 to 10. So the original number is 8. So if you type in your calculator 2 divided by 8, you'll get 0.25. So as a decimal, that's 0.25. But as a percent, just multiply by 100 or move the decimal twice, and you will get 25%. So if you were to answer this question, you would say it is a 25% increase. Make sure you say both the percent and if it increased or decreased. And that's percent change.